how to reply to Instagram comments. When someone leaves a comment on your Instagram post, you can reply to it directly so that they are notified. This is a great way to interact with your audience and keep conversations organized. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and go to the post where you want to reply to a comment. If the post already has comments, you will see a comment count below it. Tap on this to open the comment section. Now, scroll through the comments and find the one you want to reply to. Underneath the comment, you will see a reply button. Tap on it and you will notice that Instagram automatically tags the person you are replying to. Next, type your reply in the text box. Once you are done, tap Post to publish your reply. Your reply will now appear nested directly under the original comment, making it easy to follow the conversation. If you want to reply again, you can tap on the reply button under your own comment and continue the conversation. Replies will keep appearing as a thread under the original comment. If at any point you want to delete your reply, simply tap and hold on your comment, then select Delete. This will remove the reply from the thread. That's how to reply to Instagram comments.